What do you think about the overall entertainment scene in India? And I'm specifically talking about mainstream entertainment in terms of movies and TVs, especially with the current controversy of Tandav and all. Where what do you think? Like, is it that see anyway Dev and all of these serials are pro culture? So then, is that just the balance of it, which is anti culture in a way, or it's just is there a
Uh,
problem?
this is again just an opinion. I don't know about I'm happy that I'm not being interviewed on these things, on these topics by all those news channels, because one is what you said, that eventually, I mean, I go a step forward and I will say everything, life seeks equilibrium,
Hmm.
life seeks balance. So very often, whatever we are doing is creating balance of some sorts. However, the catch is when people start thinking that they are the doer of creator of balance. Balance happens when people are doing their own bit. Adam Smith kind of an approach. Okay. When you got John Nash entering, things become tricky because now we are assuming what will work for the group. I haven't seen, full disclosure, I haven't seen Tandav entirely. I'm aware of the controversy. Um, I generally am of the opinion of not attacking a show or something like that. Not because I'm against any censorship or something, but because sometimes by attacking a show, you give
Bigger,
it more limelight than it was getting earlier.
possibly.
Tandav is also an example of that. More people are watching because of the controversy. So if your original idea was to not give them that space, then you've lost that battle because you've given them more space by doing that. However, I think with Tandav, the reason for attacking it was something else, is because, again, I will not make the controversial statement of the right or wrong to that, but as an observer, as a student of society, as a student of entertainment industry, I can say that this is being done to make a statement. Tandav is being made an example. A lot of time in this country, it's okay to speak against a certain religion, but it is not okay to speak
Yeah.
against a certain other religion. Tandav is being made an example out of it by saying, okay, now it is not okay to speak against this religion also. So I will not get into majority, minority, or something like that. I'm just simply saying that this is what is happening. Is it right, wrong, good, bad? I am fortunate enough to not be on a spot where I have to take a call on that.
You have to, exactly. Okay.
But I can observe and see what is happening, and even, I mean, my active platform is Twitter, where I've got some 25k odd people following me. I just stay away from making any statements about these things. I stay true to my followers are there for whatever I'm talking about, my shows and things like that. So so because of that, now going a step further is about pro culture, anti culture. That's dangerous. That's like saying that every time you say something which is pro divinity, you have to say something anti divinity. This is again our assumption then, because entertainment is not something that has to be the sole responsibility of creating balance all the time. Entertainment is catering to joy of people, right? So, like, for example, it's not true that maybe in Italy, when I was spending there watching television, where they were like slightly more Catholic Christianity oriented, and I was around Rome and stuff like that, it's not like they had a balance of pro Christianity and anti Christianity
Yes.
shows. So that's probably a little limiting to think because we have pro Hinduism show, it's okay to have anti. So you see what is happening psychologically is that post 2014, whatever happened, as we know, at that point of time, it's not about Hindu Khatre mein. Certain factions of society started feeling threatened more and more because they connected something of the past and they said, ab to aise mein hone wala hai. They felt a sense of humko hi balance create karna hai. And since people in political power think like this, we have to do the opposite to create balance. And they created all this kind of a communication. Some of my close friends are from communists or JNU students. Some of my ex-students are JNU students and all. So we have, I'd like to believe, some Vivad and not Vivad. But when these discussions happen, so right wrong की बात नहीं है. You just have to be careful where this is all leading to. पर ये होगा तो जरूर. Again, right, wrong, good, bad. We are lucky enough to not having to make those decisions here. But as students, we can at least observe what is happening. It's not as straightforward as it appears.
No, I think so too, actually.